Do fruitarian diets need sodium? Understanding sodium intake for fruitarians. In recent years, the fruitarian diet has gained popularity among those seeking a raw, plant-based lifestyle. This diet primarily consists of fruits, often excluding grains, nuts, and vegetables. While many fruitarians advocate for the health benefits of their eating regimen, a common question arises: do fruitarians need sodium? Understanding sodium's role in the body. Sodium is an essential electrolyte necessary for various bodily functions. It plays a critical role in maintaining fluid balance, supporting nerve function, and facilitating muscle contractions. The body regulates sodium levels through various mechanisms, primarily involving the kidneys, which can filter and excrete excess sodium. For most people, adequate sodium intake is essential, and recommendations generally suggest a daily intake of about 2,300 milligrams. However, sodium needs can differ based on individual factors such as activity level, climate, and overall health. The fruitarian perspective. Fruitarian diets are often low in sodium, as they primarily consist of sweet fruit, which typically contains minimal amounts of this essential mineral. Fruits such as watermelon, bananas, and oranges can provide some sodium, but often not enough to meet daily requirements, especially for those engaging in strenuous physical activities or living in hot climates, where sodium loss through sweat is common. Some potential issues that may arise from low sodium intake in fruitarians include electrolyte imbalance. Prolonged low sodium consumption can lead to an imbalance in electrolytes, potentially causing symptoms like muscle cramps, fatigue, and dizziness. Lowered blood pressure. Sodium helps maintain blood pressure levels. Low sodium intake may lead to hypotension, low blood pressure, which can pose risks, especially during physical exertion. Kidney function. Sodium plays a crucial role in kidney function. Excessively low sodium intake can stress the kidneys as they struggle to regulate fluid balance without enough sodium. Increased hunger and cravings. Sodium is a flavor enhancer, and many people crave salt when they do not get enough. This can lead to cravings for processed foods that are often higher in sodium. How to incorporate sodium into a fruitarian diet. For those committed to a fruitarian diet, it is crucial to find ways to ensure adequate sodium intake. Here are a few strategies. Incorporating sea vegetables. Seaweeds like nori, dulse, and kelp can provide necessary sodium and are often used in various cuisines. Using mineral salts. Adding trace mineral salts, such as Himalayan pink salt or Celtic sea salt, can enhance flavor while providing sodium. Choosing fruits wisely. Some fruits have naturally higher sodium levels. For instance, olives and certain fruit varieties, like tomatoes and celery, can contribute to overall sodium intake. Being aware of body signals. Listen to your body's needs. If you start feeling fatigued or experience muscle cramps, it might be time to reassess your sodium intake. Conclusion. While fruitarian diets boast numerous health benefits, they can inadvertently lead to low sodium intake, which may present challenges for some individuals. Sodium is essential for so many of the body's functions, and a lack of it can have significant health implications. By being mindful of sodium sources and listening to their bodies, fruitarians can maintain a balanced approach to their diet. Ultimately, every individual's nutritional needs are unique, and consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can help anyone navigating a restrictive diet such as fruitarianism to ensure they are meeting their nutritional needs effectively. Click the subscribe button if you thought this was helpful.